Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we're going to tell you, is Sidewar.com legit or not? So keep watching. Okay, now first when I go and open the browser, then type here sideward.com, in fact, I do not get anything. Now let me explain the case. This website stated that they offer you money when you review some of Netflix content, some Netflix series or some Netflix films or movies. So, what I advise you guys to do is instead of searching for a job, this website, which it really looks awkward, I don't actually, I'm confused, okay? So, instead of doing that, you should go and search for Netflix, just like so. Then go and click on Netflix, go and open Netflix, just like so. And here you have it. When you scroll down to the bottom of your screen, you can see here this option, jobs. When you click on it, it will in fact show you all the available jobs on Netflix. So if you want to join Netflix, you can simply go to the official website of Netflix, then scroll down to jobs, as I mentioned, and see how you can actually apply for a job with Netflix and what you can actually do. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.